It's here. My new design for all super magnet fishing. Self-righting super magnet. Interested? Here we go. This is a design in progress. What I was noticing when I throw a super magnet out any distance, it's gonna pretty much drag on the bottom like this. Okay? And so you're not gonna have a chance of picking up anything when the magnet face is perpendicular to the bottom. Now you can buy magnets that are flush like this and it has the loop here, but the problem with those is as you lift them out of the water, then you've got the weakness here, pulling something out. So if you pulled out something rather heavy, I mean this chair is probably a couple 5 pounds, but anything more than that, maybe 10 or 15 pounds, if you tried to pull something out that had the loop here, it might slide right off the magnet. Whereas this always lays flat, whether you're bringing it or not. And if you're just plinking it off the dock, you know, you can only go so far and you're pushing it down and down and down. So you're only hitting a very small area. Whereas when you can cast it out, your chances of snagging on something is much greater. Unlike other super magnet rigs that don't right themselves, once you cast this in the water, it sits on the bottom just like that. We're going to check this thing out and see how good it works. Got something. Somebody's grilling tray, looks like. I see something else in the water. I'm going to see if I can run over. Some sort of winch. Metal bar construction thing. And lots of iron sand. The great thing about this design is you can actually roll it to something you see in the water. And once it catches something, it has a tendency to flip up, kick the magnet up to the side. Screwdriver. can almost hear it click when it captures something. A file that does not want to come off. A file. Okay, I'll be honest, this is a metal chair. I want to see if it will pick it up. Throw it out there. Parents are probably not going to be too happy with me, but we'll try it out. This one, I know where it is, so I'm going to give it a good swing out there over the target. All right, here we go. Captured. And very wet. So the rig, cheating wise, captured the chair, but we also found an old screwdriver, some sort of piece of metal, an old file, some sort of winch. It's very old. And this grill thing, it doesn't look like it's been out there very long. It really works. There's some refinements I want to make. If you get in around trees or any kind of twigs or something, I want to make some sort of rig here to keep it from snagging on one of the wheels. But in general, I'm pretty happy with how this all turned out. Get this off. This is really where the magic is. You saw it up rolling on the dock. And so it's just below the wheels to allow this to stay vertical. You have this pivot point here. And that really kind of works out well and allows you to keep it on the bottom 100% no matter how far you throw out. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more super magnet fishing videos where I'm actually going to go into the step-by-step design and how I built this thing and how you can build one of your own.